Advice for improving your English. Indiana 2025. 1. Study English every day. To improve your English in 2025. The first and most important step is to study every day. Spending 30 to 60 minutes daily will help you stay consistent. You can focus on learning new words, practicing grammar rules, and reviewing what you have already studied. Using different tools like textbooks, language apps, and online lessons can make learning more exciting. For example, apps like Duolingo or Memrise are great for building vocabulary, while websites like YouTube offer free lessons on grammar and pronunciation. A daily routine will create a strong habit and ensure steady progress. Even on busy days, try to spend at least 10 minutes reviewing flashcards or practicing simple exercises. 2. Practice speaking as much as possible. Speaking English is one of the most challenging but rewarding skills to develop. To improve, you need to practice regularly. Try to speak English with friends, classmates, or teachers. If you do not have someone to practice with, use language exchange apps like HelloTalk to find partners around the world. Another great way to practice is by talking to yourself at home. For example, describe what you are doing. Like, I am cooking dinner or I am reading a book. Recording your voice is also helpful because you can listen back and identify areas to improve. Joining English clubs or conversation groups in your community is another excellent option. Remember, the more you speak, the more confident you will become. 3. Listen to English content daily. Listening is a powerful way to improve your understanding of English. You can start by listening to English songs, podcasts, or audiobooks. Find topics you enjoy, such as cooking, travel, or personal development. Watching movies and TV shows in English is also very effective. Start with subtitles in your native language. Then switch to English subtitles as you improve. Over time, try to watch without subtitles. Listening to how native speakers pronounce words and form sentences will help you learn natural speech patterns. Make listening a habit by integrating it into your daily activities, like commuting or exercising. 4. Read simple materials in English. Reading helps you expand your vocabulary and understand grammar and context. Start with easy materials like children's books, short stories, or simple articles. As your skills improve, move on to more challenging content such as news articles, novels, or blog posts. Choose topics you enjoy to make reading more interesting. While reading, keep a notebook to write down new words or phrases you encounter. Try to understand the meaning of words from the context before looking them up in a dictionary. After learning new words, use them in sentences to remember them better. 5. Write every day in English. Writing is an excellent way to practice using the language. Start small by writing daily diary entries. short paragraphs, or simple sentences about your thoughts and plans. For example, write about what you did today, your goals for tomorrow, or describe something you like. This will help you organize your thoughts in English and improve your sentence structure. When you learn new vocabulary, try to use it in your writing. Share your work with a teacher, friend, or online community to get feedback and learn from your mistakes. Over time, challenge yourself to write longer pieces like essays or emails. 6. Review your progress regularly. Reviewing is an essential part of learning. Set aside time every week to go over what you have learned. Use flashcards to memorize vocabulary, or take small quizzes to test your understanding of grammar rules. Revisiting lessons will help you strengthen your knowledge and identify areas where you need more practice. Keeping a journal to track your progress can also be motivating. Write down your goals, achievements, and challenges. Celebrate small victories, like learning 50 new words or successfully holding a short conversation in English. 7. Make learning fun and enjoyable. Learning English should not feel like a chore. Make it fun by finding activities you enjoy. Play language games, watch funny videos, or sing along to your favorite English songs. If you like sports, watch matches with English commentary. If you love cooking, follow recipes in English. Joining a club or online community where you can connect with other learners will also make learning more social and enjoyable. Surrounding yourself with English in your daily life will make the process feel natural and less intimidating. 8. Stay motivated and be patient. Improving your English takes time and effort, so it is important to stay motivated. Set small, achievable goals for each month, such as learning 20 new words or finishing one book. Reward yourself when you reach these milestones to keep your energy up. Remember that making mistakes is part of the learning process. Do not be afraid to try, even if you feel unsure. The most important thing is to keep going and believe in your ability to improve. What do you think is the best way to learn English? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other.